everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on my patriotic decor and I hope that you will join me. I will be putting together a patriotic wreath. I will be using this 14-inch square wreath from the Dollar Tree. And from the Dollar Tree I'll also have these ribbons. This one says USA and striped with stars. I also have this one and the red, white, and blue stars. I also have this mesh that I might use. I have it by just in case. This is the red mesh with the white flocking. And this is a leftover from Valentine's Day. I have one more mesh here, and then this is just the sheer mesh. This one is from Hobby Lobby. And from Family Dollar I have this mesh here. This is white canvas, or it's an off-white color. And then from Dollar General, I believe it is, I have this. This is a red canvas. I also have this one. This is a blue denim ribbon. And then for this project you also need some Chanel stems, and you will probably need your scissors and a wire cutter to help cut the Chanel. And then you also need any embellishments that you want to add onto your wreath. The first thing I want to do with my wreath form is attach my Chanel stems, and I'm going to use the full length. I've yet to do a square mesh wreath, so you'll have to bear with me, and let's see how I'm going to do this. I know that I want one right here where the crossbar is. On row 1 I have 3, row 2 I have 2, and in row 3, the inner circle, I have 3 again. And I'm going to do that in the middle parts, that is. But I want to show you right here right quick. This is going to be a little different. I think that I do want one right there in the corner. This is how we'll start. I think this will be okay. So I have the one on the crossbar, one in the center on the inner ring, and then in the middle I have the 2 right here, and then on the corner. On the outside I have one halfway on the corner, another halfway, and then back at the bar. Okay, hopefully you caught that. And next I'm going to trim my ribbon. Them all trimmed down to about 9 inches like that. I think that would be like a really good, good length to work with that. So let me do that. I have trimmed all my ribbons down to 9 inches. And these 3 ribbons right here, the denim and the red and the white, burlap, had wire edging, and I just removed the wire altogether. And I also have decided to go with this tulle mesh with the flocking. And I'm going to start in this corner here. So I'm going to just grab 3 of the ribbons, and I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to work from the outside in, and then with my tool I am using the full width, so I just want to make sure I bunch when I do this. And I'm gonna leave the Chanel count as it is right now. Once I fill it in, and we'll see, I may need to add more Chanel, but for now I'm just gonna leave it as is. I have finished putting all the ribbons I need to in here. I did not need to add any more Chanel, so I just used what I had, and I like the way it turned out. I love all the colors, you know, really cute. So let me flip it over right quick. I just wanted to show you that if you flip it over, you can always tell if you miss any Chanels. And then also on this wreath, I took my Chanel, then I tucked them back in, so they're not sticking out from the out on top. See there? So I just wrapped them around the frame. And then this also helps the outside of the frame itself to keep my ribbons straight up. Because other than that, it just, you know, it keeps making my outside ribbon fall over, so I tucked it back across, and it works really well. It keeps everything all nice and square, just like I like, you know. You see how the corner is here? It's nice and square. I like it. And then other thing is, I did go with the 9-inch ribbon, but it might be a good idea to go with 8-inch. That way, you know, especially if you want to use the center of your wreath, you'll have more exposure on the inside if you go a little shorter. But definitely, I would not go any longer than 9 inches on this wreath. I want to add a little bit of an embellishment on top of mine. And I did buy this wall hanging sign from the Dollar Tree. Look at this. It has the flag, it says 4th of July and Home of the Brave. And I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and put some Chanel on the back side right here. Here are my signs. Aren't these cute? I just love the way they look. Adorable. I am going to go ahead and add these to the wreath, and then I will show you the final results of my wreath. Here is my 4th of July square wreath. How cute is that? I love it that I was able to maintain the square shape. And then here's my sign. I love it. I put 2 signs on this side and I put the one there. It is really cute. I love it. I think now all it needs is some light, so I will go ahead and add that on later. And I would use like the clear lights, and then I'll probably just like string it on the outside, and then at nighttime it'll keep that square shape too. I think that'll be better than to put my lights throughout, you know. I love it. It is really cute. I hope you guys like my wreath and that you give it a try too. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.